Mount your natural gas alarm anywhere you have a gas-fueled appliance: the kitchen, laundry room, furnace room, or near a gas fireplace or water heater. Because natural gas rises, place the alarm within 12 inches of the ceiling. Keep it at least 3 feet, but no more than 10 feet from gas appliances. And if it's near a stove or cooktop hood, aim for at least 5 feet. Avoid areas with drafts or humidity, like windows, doors, vents, sinks, or showers. Proper placement ensures your natural gas alarm detects gas leaks quickly and reliably, helping protect your home.